Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel or stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host today. Today we are walking through the Stratosphere here in Las Vegas, giving you guys a quick walkthrough tour of the Stratosphere. Now, if you're wondering what we're using for the camera equipment for this, we have the Note 9 with the Osmo Mobile 2 for stabilization. Did a few tests with it last night and it turned out pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and do that again today. So over to the left is going to be your Players Club, your tower entrances for your hotel stay here, and then the ticket center as well. And straight up ahead is hotel registration. And up over here to the right is going to be your restrooms, so we're gonna hang right, go around the outside here, and then work our way around towards the front, and then back towards the parking garage where we came in. So if you guys were wondering time and date, it is a Saturday and it's about 10:30 here in the morning. A little early in the morning, but I had a lot of stuff to film and get started, so that's why we're up and doing this so early in the morning, guys. So up here to the front, this is going to be your main entrance. Up over here to the right, when you come in, this is going to take you to Las Vegas Boulevard. So if you're trying to get out to the Strip, you'll go through the doors on my right hand side there. We got Christmas and everything up since it is after Thanksgiving, so Christmas decorations are in all the casinos. It's pretty cool to see. I have to see what the Bellagio has done for their Christmas, because usually that Botanical Gardens pretty much goes all out when they do that. Then up over to the right is going to be your hotel registration, so if you're staying here at the Stratosphere, this is where you would go. They also have concierge up here as well. We'll work our way around on the casino floor a little bit here. So right here, guys, is all your hotel registration stuff. So if you're staying here, that's where you go to check in. And of course they have the cafes and things like that. They have a poker room that's up over here, as well as a central shop. They have that pretty much everywhere in Las Vegas, pretty standard. Over on my left-hand side is going to be your cashier's cage, so if you win anything here, that's the place to go to cash in your chips or tickets. So here's the central elevators up over on my left-hand side here, guys. So over in there is that elevator bank. The poker room is up here, the pool is going to be up here, and also the buffet and a few other things. So I don't know if we'll go all the way down here. I think we will. Show you some of the eats here. Here's the Stratosphere Cafe over to my left-hand side here. Like they got line for the cafe, which is always a good sign. So there's a chapel and pizzeria upstairs. There's also the Top of the World buffet. So if you go upstairs, there's also a theater up there in the Stratosphere as well. So you'll definitely have to check that out if you come here. Here's their poker room. Some baccarat and stuff like that is all going to be down here. Just a little small gaming area. Work our way back around towards the parking garage and show you the rest of the Stratosphere here, guys. That gaming area that we just walked through. This Game of Thrones, Fire and Blood, I think that's the first time I've ever seen that machine. I'll have to try and check it out and see if it's any good. Last night we did do a little bit of gambling. We did all right on some machines. Caesars was paying out like crazy last night. So last night was Friday night. We got into town kind of late. We went over to Caesars. It was pretty decent. The gambling was really good. I think we saw, what, maybe 5 or 6 people get hand pays in Caesars last night. Something like that. So we'll kind of take you here on the center of the casino floor. Over on my right-hand side is the cage, so they don't like to film in areas like that, which is completely understandable. Got some table games up over here in the center. Restrooms are up over on your right-hand side, so if you're gambling, this is a good spot, close to the restrooms, close to the waitress station. And it is still early in the morning yet. I have not had my coffee. I do see a Starbucks, so we probably will hit that up here for you guys. Let you know if the Starbucks here at the Stratosphere is a good choice. But yeah, taxis and parking is up here. This is kind of where we came in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little walkthrough of the Stratosphere. As always, my name is Ryan. Until next time.